Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another day in the life video. So we have a couple cars in, wanted to kind of go over them. This one's going to be our main focus here. This one's a 2025 Nissan Altima. It's got 300 miles on it. It's brand spanking new. It's coming in for our STEK Smart Series ceramic tint. This one's going to get 15% all the way around. No windshield on this one, but the whole rest of the vehicle is going to get tinted and 15%. We also have this 2024 Toyota Sequoia Platinum Edition. This thing's sick. We actually applied tint all the way around on this and full front PPF a couple weeks ago. So now the customer came back for our level 3 coating package. So it's gonna get GTECHNIQ's Crystal Serum Ultra, which is our professional grade coating. It's gonna make this thing super easy to clean, just protect it from the elements as well. And then quickly in the back here, we have this 2021 G-Wagon from a good customer of ours. He's going through our coating maintenance detail. So it's gonna get one-step polish, XOV5 on it, just making sure that coating is staying up to par. So we're gonna get started on this. We got a lot to cover, so here we go. All right, guys, so wanted to kind of show you our software system as well as our plotter. This is my little lair where I get, some stuff done. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so we got this software here. So what we do is it's pretty cool. So we plug in the year, make, and model of the vehicle. As you can see here, it even shows a picture of the vehicle, which helps a lot. And then it has all of the different patterns and stuff here. So you got your front door, rear door, quarter glass, you got your windshields, everything you need to fully tint the car, which is like pretty cool. Once we get that done, then we come over here and then we have this plotter, which is amazing. So this will actually cut the tint out. And as you can see, like right here, like I already plotted some stuff out, but it cuts it to the exact shape of the window. Then it just makes it super easy for us to install it. It cuts our time in half. Guys, if you're watching, if you tint vehicles and you don't have one of these, definitely invest in it. It's a huge time saver. It isn't cheap, but again, it's a long-term investment for you guys. All right, guys, we are starting on the prep. So first thing I typically do is I'll remove the sweep. So gonna go in there just remove this window sweep in here. Just do some minor disassembly. It makes the world of difference to get a clean install. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. For whatever reason, that other one was like super tight. It's like right in here. There it goes. All right, guys, so I'm gonna prep the outside glass now. So I go around and just kind of do all of that. So I wipe all the exterior glass really well. And I'll just kind of like wipe around the perimeter. So it's Super Bowl week. We are from right outside of Philly. So Eagles, Chiefs this weekend. We're like 4 days out. Cannot freaking wait for this game. A little revenge. Any of you Chiefs fans, better watch out. If you guys are football fans, drop a comment. Let me know what you think the score is going to be. I'm a little biased. I think the Eagles are actually going to win the game. It's going to be really tight though. So one of the guys just asked me who my favorite player is on the team. It's really hard to pick that, but like obviously I want to go for the obvious, Saquon Barkley, because of the year that he's had. But at the same time, like I don't know, I feel like I got to go with somebody different. I'm actually going to go on the defensive side of the ball because I feel like he completely changed the defense this year. It's Jalen Carter. In my opinion, he's just a game wrecker. He's just insanely good. So right now, he's my favorite. Close second is Zach Bond. Zach Bond has been insane this year. Talk about a guy who literally didn't even nobody even knew him. Now he's a first team All-Pro. Just insane. All right, gotta get these quarter glass windows all good to go. These sometimes are a little tricky because the seals on them are like ridiculously tight. But I've never done the Nissan one, so we'll see how this goes. These things are such pains in the butts, man. Just. I don't know if you guys saw the video of the guy who he farted on the airplane, and he kind of comes out and says please stop farting. It's really bad.
Always farting, don't fart please, it smells bad.
I wanted to shoot more content, and I'm literally yelling right now because we got the air compressors, we got all kinds of stuff. It's so loud in here. I wanted to film more content, but unfortunately I literally have to scream for you guys to hear me even with this mic on. So sorry that we didn't get a little bit more content, but we're gonna get to it now. Get this back window on.
Hello.
All right, guys, the Ultima's all wrapped up. We did full window tint all the way around. Looks awesome. I'm gonna keep this short. It's really, really cold out here. So 15% all the way around. I wanted to come out here though because it was so loud in there. Maybe one day we'll build out a room, like a soundproof room, and have all the air compressors and things and like that in there. But for now, we got to deal with the noise. But yeah, 15% STEK Smart Series ceramic tint. Looks awesome. Customers coming soon. So hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.